Hi, I'm Mike from Ridge Tool. Continuing with our stainless steel theme, we're going to look at flaring. So, what's a flare? Well, a flared end is this kind of thing. Okay, they can come in two angles of flare, 45 degrees as we've got here, or you can have 37.5 degree flares. Quite simply, it's just a way of jointing the pipe using the fittings. Instead of using a simple compression fitting with an olive, a flare actually uses a cone seat, and that's the idea of the flare. The flare sits onto a cone seat fitting. So they're very popular with hydraulics type applications. Even things like brake lines in vehicles often use flared ends. So we're going to form a flare. So a piece of stainless steel tube we've got here. This is 3/8 tubing. And to do it we need a flaring tool. Come in two halves, two bits to a flaring tool. This is the rigid model 345 and it has the flaring bar and the actual flaring tool itself with the cone, and it's that bit there, if you can see inside, that actually forms the flare. So you take the flaring bar, you take your piece of tube, and the sizes along here, it's marked with all the different sizes as you can see. So we're going from 3/16 up to 5/8. So we're on 3/8 tube, so you pick the 3/8 one, which is that one there, and you put the tube in, close the bar down, and then pick up the actual flaring bar and put it into the flaring tool. Just pinch this down, get it set right. Okay, so we've got the tube set in the flaring bar. We've used a vise just to help us here, and as you can see, as I turn the handle, down comes the cone. Just to make things easier, if it's not an issue, you can lubricate the cone. And all you simply do now is just turn that handle, and the cone is on an eccentric, so it actually sort of spins round and forms that tube end into the flaring bar to give you the flare. When you've bottomed out, you can't go any further. Okay, back it off, open that up all the way, we'll just take him out the vise, slacken off the flaring block, take them out, open up, there you go, 45 degree flared end. So that's ready now for your cone fitting to go on there and make a joint. So that's the rigid 345 flaring tool.